Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to simulate or how to interface a TFT LCD with data of esp32 microcontroller. The TFT which we are using is I9341. It is a touch based TFT. We can use it for display as well as for taking touch inputs, okay, like the LCD of your cell phone. Now we have to go for our VOCV simulator. We need to write VOCV and we will click on this VOCV, okay, simulator, and up to my observation, VOCV simulator is as good as Proteus and Tinkercad, so you can use it, okay, and it is also online, which is a bit more beneficial for you. So click on esp32 here, and now we have our esp32. Now we will click on this addition sign and we will go for ILI9341 display, okay, so this is our display. Now there are certain pins of this TFT display, and first pin is VCC. Obviously if there is VCC pin, it must be connected with the VN pin of ESP32. Now the next one is the ground pin, and it must be connected with the ground pin of ESP32. Now the next pin is CSR chip select, so we need to connect it with the D15, okay, with D15 pin. Some libraries only used to work on these pins, so you should have to take care about these, okay. So D15, so okay, so this is D15. The next pin is our reset, okay, or RST. So we will click on this RST and we will go to D4. D4. Now the other one is DC pin, and we also we must have to connect it with the D21, okay. So this is D21. Now MOSI pin or master out slave in pin, we need to connect it with the 23 number pin. So because all the GPIOs, okay, so it is D23, and okay, now this is SCK pin, and for SCK we will go and we will connect it with the D18, okay, so we will go and okay, so this is D18. Now there are just two pins, that is master in, slave out, so we will just need to connect these things. So now we will come towards our coding. So before going towards that, we need to import certain libraries. So for it we will write --include spi.h. so what is this? Serial peripheral interface library. So we are not going into the technicalities that how this SPI interface used to work, okay. You must know that we are just calling this library for certain functions to be executed. So next we will write --include Adafruit underscore gfx.h, okay, Adafruit, okay, so gfx.h. So this is graphics library for this LCD. The next one we need to write --include Adafruit underscore ILI 9341.h. okay, so these three are the libraries, and just calling of these libraries is not enough. We need to go to library manager. Here we will write gfx, okay, and we need to include that out, gfx and ILI 9341. so we will write ILI Adafruit. So now they are included. Now in void setup, or before going towards void setup, we need to declare two major things, that is hash define TFT underscore DC pin with pin number 2. okay, now they said it is 2, okay, pin number 2. so I will check that either it is 2 or which pin to which it is connected. It is D21, okay, so here we will write D21. now where there is TFT underscore DC variable, it means it is 21, it is denoting 21. And now we also need to write hash define TFT underscore CS, that is chip select, and here we will write 15, and we will check either it is true. Yes, it is connected with D15. so now in void setup we need to cancel this out, and now after this is done we need to call one class, and that class is Adafruit underscore ILI 9341 Adafruit underscore ILI 9341. now this is our class, and we have to declare an object of that class. Why it is so? Because with the help of that object we can only call certain functions, okay. so here we will write ILI 9341. oh sorry, it is TFT. just we will write TFT as a variable. We can change it as well. so we will write is equal to Adafruit underscore ILI 9341, and here we will write TFT underscore CS, and TFT underscore DC. so these two are our pins, okay. so up to this point we need to run our code, and we will see either it is right Adafruit underscore ILI 9341 TFT, okay, the side hash include, okay, we have written the spelling of include is, okay, so it must be like a hash include, okay, hash include. so now we have declared TFT as an object of Adafruit ILI. okay, now our code is working, I think. okay, this side yeah, so we have to write the semicolon as well. now wait until it used to compile. okay, in void setup we need to write TFT dot begin. now begin is our function. we use to initialize or start the communication between TFT and esp32. so this is our function which must be called. now in void setup we can write TFT dot set cursor we can change the position of text with the help of this command. So we will write 30 comma 50. Okay, we can write 30 comma 50, and then we can write, we can change the color dot set text color, set text color, or color. Okay, it's color, and in parameter we will write I9341 underscore red. Okay, red. Okay, so we can write TFT dot set text, then another function, that is set text, and we will write Nelson Darwin. Okay, so this is our company's name, so we can write set text TFT dot set text. Oh, sorry, it is TFT dot set text size, set text size. Okay, and here we need to write as 3. You can go for like 3 or 4 or anything. So if you want to increase the size, you can write here 4 or 5, and here we will write TFT dot println Nelson Darwin. So okay, now we will see either our all the commands are working. TFT dot set text dot set cursor, dot set text color, and dot set text size. All these are actually the functions, okay, which are being called with the help of this TFT. Okay, now you can see it's written Nelson Darwin, and if we used to change the size of this text here, oh sorry, like this, run it out, okay, now you can see it is written Nelson Darwin. So okay, now we can change this also, and we can write some more thing, and like Nelson Darwin, we can write here green, and we can write here Pakistan. Nelson Darwin, Pakistan. Now because it is an online simulator, so okay, we have to go for like 80 comma 50. Okay, so like this, because we have to choose a different location for like you can say for our next text. So oh, it is going in that direction. Can we write 100 because it is y and it is x? Okay, oh yeah, it is x, so we have changed it, and we have to we also have to change the y. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can interface a TFT LCD with that of esp32. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.